So today I will be talking about buy stops orders in Forex. So this is a live chart of GBP USD, and it is what we are going to be using today to show you what buy stop orders are. Now we have price currently at this point 1.29. That's the level. This pad that is in this blue and red pad, that's where price is currently. What happens if this price keeps pushing up? Because we can see it started down here and it's still pushing up. What happens when it reaches this point? This point now. This point. We can see previously of what had happened. It reached this point. It was pushed down further. Now let me enlarge this screen for you. So price got to this point. It was pushed down. It tried retracing back till it reached this point again. It was pushed down. So what do you think happens when price reaches this level right now? Okay, you expect it to push down. But what happens when price breaks past this level as it is right now? So when price keeps coming up till it got to this point, tried retracing down and then break past this level. And then we may retest the level again and then continue its movement till it keeps going up. As it is right now, we don't know when this price will keep pushing till it reaches this level. And you are interested in taking this trade. So what you do is to place your order with your broker, and then you can go and sleep. Even if it does it in 2 days' time, it will still take you in. Once price keeps pushing and it reaches the point where you want to go in, your broker will automatically take you in. Whether you are sleeping or you are offline, it will still execute the order. Okay, so for a buy stop order, what it does is that you are going to place your point where you are interested in above where the current price is. So currently our price is here. So your buy stop order must be above where the current price is. If I try placing a buy stop order below the price where it is currently, so if I try placing it, let's say at a point like 1.295, somewhere here, 1.295, okay, my broker will not even allow me because I'm doing it the wrong way. You won't have the option to do that. You have to place your buy stop above the current price, which means that if price breaks past this level of resistance, where if it reaches, it pushes down like we saw here, it reached here, it was pushed down. It got to this point again, it was pushed down, and now it's approaching the same level. If it does not push down again and it breaks past this level, we can confidently say that let us put our buy stop order up above, just somewhere above here. So I can say I will put my buy stop order here at a price level of 1.308. Okay, to correspond with the price level that is say 1.308, this blue line that you are seeing. So it means we are telling our broker, currently I am using Exness. So what I'm telling my broker is that if this price is pushing and instead of going down, it breaks past and reaches this level, it means the price is ready to keep pushing up. So I can decide to place my buy stop here at a level of 1.308. This is GBP USD that I am showing you guys. So I will put my buy stop order here. And once you have placed it there, anytime price touches this point, it will take you into the trade. It will execute your order. What I'm showing you now, it will buy the market for you, which means you will only make profit if price keeps pushing above this current point where you entered. So if price keeps pushing upwards, and keeps going like that, you will make profit because you have predicted that if price ever pushes and break past this point of resistance or supply zone, as others may call it, then it means it is ready to keep pushing. That's why it got to this point. And once it has reached, you are willing to enter to continue the buy that it will keep going. That is why they call it a buy stop order. It must be executed above where the current price is. Now, it must not be that easy. You make use of reference point. Like this is because of this resistance point that we are seeing. But you can, so far, any point above where the current price is, you can place your buy stop order. So I can decide to bring it down here and place it here. So I will say anytime that price gets to this point, execute my buy stop, and it will execute anytime price touches here. Okay, but you can't just place it just anywhere because you feel like putting it, because if price ever touches this point, okay, it may just go up small, touch here, and then start pushing down just the way it has done previously. So this is a supply zone. Okay, so by the time you place it here, you may not know what you are doing because it's just close to a supply zone. So anytime it takes you in to buy it, you start buying small and reach here and start pushing down again and come and take you out. It will take out your stop loss. So you make use of a buy stop at points of resistance or points at which you think a resistance or a supply zone, somewhere that you think price should not pass. And if you think it has passed, then it means it will keep going upwards. It's going to continue buying. So I will return it to the 1.308. So this is where I will place it. Now I'm going to show you how you will place your buy stop order on MetaTrader 5 platform. So I can decide to place that buy stop here, this option. I will click on it. Good. So as you can see, you see a buy stop is an example of a pending order, an order that has not been executed. It can only be executed if certain conditions are met. In this way, if price touches or reaches the point where we are interested in. So a buy stop is an example of a pending order. On the desktop platform, I'll show you how to do it on the desktop platform and then how to do on MetaTrader 5, the mobile version. So click on this to open it up, you see. So currently, it is a limit that is writing for you here. It's not buy limit that we are executing right now. Rather, we want to execute because this part where it's showing you now is where the price is currently. So I'm going to shift it up to this point. You see, as I'm shifting it, it has changed this to stop. So it's now a stop, a buy stop that I want to execute. And the only option you see is given here is to confirm for a buy. So I have the option to confirm a buy. So how many lots will I want to enter at this level? So for this, I may want to write, I want to enter one lot size. Okay. Whenever price reaches this level of 1.3080, okay. So if price reaches this level 1.3080, I want to go in for a buy. Okay, how many lots I have entered? You can put 0.01 or 0.1 depending on which one you want. So I want to enter with one lot size. Okay, so if you want to set a take profit level and a stop loss, you can set it, of which is advisable. Okay, so let's say if price pushes past this level of resistance or level of supply and it goes and reaches here, then it means it's ready to keep pushing. So what I will do is that I expect that anytime that price breaks past a level of support or a resistance, it may come back to retest it. So I may say that it may, as it takes me in, it may come back to retest this level again, this level, before pushing up to go my direction to where my take profit is. Okay. So what I will do currently is to place my stop loss to be somewhere below here, because if it comes to retest, it may retest around this region. Okay. So my stop loss should be somewhere below here. Let me hide this thing first. Good. So let me use 1.302 as my level of stop loss. So stop loss level 1.302. And then the point at which I'm interested is 1.308. Then if you are going to place your take profit, so here will be our level of take profit, 1.316. So our stop loss will be here. Good. Now remember, you have not entered this trade. So even if this price comes and touch here, it is not touching any stop loss yet, okay? It must, for you to enter this market, that price must break past this level and come and reach where you are interested to enter, okay? Which is our level of the buy stop order. So once we entered 1.308, our stop loss will now be activated as well. So here where we set the stop loss, 1.302 will be activated, and our level of take profit around here, 1.316 as well, will be activated. Okay, that is what it is. So now let me go back and click on that buy stop order to show you how you do. So remember, I said I need to enter with one lot size, activate the pending order option. Okay, so we want to enter at 1.308. Okay, good. So you see it has automatically placed it as a stop for you. Okay, that is for Exness desktop platform. I will show you the mobile option, so stay with me. Okay, so this is it. Now I can toggle this one on for the take profit level. Remember our take profit level says 1.316, 0.316. Okay, then our stop loss level we said is 1.302, 1.302. So once you have set all of these things the way they are, you click on confirm buy stops, you click on it. So it is placing the order right now. Pending order has been placed. So you can see it is activated around here. So anytime the price comes and reaches this level, it will execute this. It will buy one lot size for you, and it will automatically place your stop loss here, and it will put your take profit here. So whether you are sleeping when this thing happens and price moves and goes up in your favor and reaches this level of take profit, it will give you the profit in your account. You will wake up, you see that money has added to your account without you even doing anything. You simply executed it at a specific point. Okay, you see, this is your order will open automatically when the market price reaches the price you have specified. Okay, now if instead of going upwards, it now comes down to hit you back to go down instead, then your stop loss will be taken. Okay, your stop loss will be taken. So it will come back when it touches this point. You will wake up and you see that money has been deducted from your account. So don't always think of the positive only. Anything can happen in Forex. Okay, yes. So that is what a buy stop order is. If I will recap, it must be placed above the level of the current price. So this is where our current price is. Price is dangling around this point. So anywhere above where the price is, let's say from here to any point above. Okay, good. But you cannot place a buy stop order below where the current, this is where the current price, you can't put a buy stop order below here. Now, I will show you how to execute it on mobile. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about a sell stop order and a buy limit order. And there are other types of orders again in Forex, such as you could have a buy stop limit order and a sell stop limit order. All these things, they have some peculiarities. If you want to know more about these things, simply subscribe and you will be notified. Click on the notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I post a video. You can also join the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group. The link is in the description. If you have any question, you can ask it in those Telegram and the WhatsApp groups, and I will answer you, or I can make a video for you about it. So I am on my mobile phone right now. This is MetaTrader 5. Okay, so I am going to show you how to do that. You simply click and hold whatever asset. So I'm clicking and holding GBP USD. This option of new order, I'm going to place it. Click it. Now you can see the first point that you are seeing over here is that market execution. Okay, the first thing that you are seeing over here is market execution, and that's not the part that we are. It's not market execution. Market means you enter immediately. So this option that is below here, you just click over it. It will drop down the things for you. Then you choose your buy stop order. So remember, I told you you have a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. and I will show you all these things in different videos. Okay, so click subscribe and follow me, and I will show you what all these orders means in Forex. So I'm going to select the buy stop order option. Buy stop. Good. So I have selected that one. Now I may want to change the lot size. So let's use 0.5 lot size. So I want to use 0.5 lot size. Now this is where you put your price level. At what price level do you want this to be executed? So I'm going to put 1.308, like the way I showed you on the 1.308. Or let me increase it to 1.309. Now this is just to show you so that you can see the levels. Okay, when I show you, if I put this, you may see it at the same level as I did for the laptop version. So let me put it at 1.31. So when price reaches 1.31, I want to go in for a buy. So our stop level will be 1.30. In fact, let me change it to 1.30 to distinguish it from the laptop. Then our take profit level will be 1.32. Now, when you finish, you click this place option. You are now placing the order. Okay. This GTC you are seeing, it means good till cancel, which means allow it to happen unless I cancel the order myself. If not, it will not expire. That's why there's an expiration. Okay, so it will not expire unless I cancel it myself. That's what the GTC means, good till cancel. Okay, so I will leave it like that. I'll click on the place option to place my order request. So a buy stop order has been executed. You see, this is the one for the one lot size is the one for the system. If I come to the chart, you will see them even on your MetaTrader 5. So go to the chart option, you see. So these stripe lines that you are seeing, these black stripes that you are seeing, these black dotted lines are your stop loss levels. Let me enlarge it for you to see. Let me enlarge it for you to see. Okay. So these are your buy stop levels. Okay. So you see this other one of 0.5 is the one for the mobile, and then this is the one for the system. So anytime this price that you are seeing currently here keeps pushing until it reaches this point, it will keep buying from me. And anytime that price passes this point where I entered and keeps going up, I will make profit. But it keeps going down and comes back again to these stop loss levels, it will take me out. Okay. But if it doesn't come down, but rather goes up to this point, then it will give me my take profit TP levels. Okay. If you click on it, it will all give you what is happening there. You can see. Okay. So if everything goes as planned, I enter with one lot size. Okay. You can see you will make 800. This is just an example. This is not how to really put your take profit levels and your stop loss, because I can't be risking 600 to get 800. Okay, it's better you risk 600 to get 1002. So this TP level would have been higher than this point. So maybe let's say I should have shifted it to somewhere here to give you something like 1600. When you risk 600, you get something like 1600. Okay, so if you have any question regarding how to place, so it's even on the system one is here. I'm using the same demo account to show you people how to do these things. Okay, that's why you are seeing everything is reflecting. So I have this account as well on my MetaTrader 5, and I have it as well on the desktop. So if you want to know how to connect MetaTrader 5 to your Exness account, I have made a video about that. It will pop up right now. Any other question that you have regarding buy stops, just let me know in the comment section. Until then, see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.